These are the lengths of Desmond's telephone calls in minutes. Okay, we've got to calculate an estimate of the mean length. To work out the mean, you add them all up and divide by how many there are. So this one here, so it says the 3 calls were between 10 and 20. So 10 to 20, you've got to add up these 3 calls, but you can't add them just like that. You can't add up sort of ranges. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take the midpoint, and that's why it's an estimate, because we don't know that they're all there. So we need to work out the midpoint of each range. That'll be 5, the midpoint of 10 and 20, 15, 25, 35, just check. Between 40 and 50, that's 45, 55. And if that's my frequency, that's my value, I need to work out the fx, so the frequency times the value. Because we got none were that short, so that'll be out to 0. And then 3 were 15, because we've got one we're saying is 15 here, and another one, and another 3 15s, 45. I always like doing that, it just helps see what's going on. 3 25s, 75, 6 35s, 210, 8 45s, 360, 5 55s is 275. I got to work out the total of all those, so I got a 15 and a 15 and another 15. That'll be 45, and then I'll have a 25, another 25. I'll have 3 of those. So what I have to do is add up the total of this one here, and that is 965. And I've got to divide it by the total number of calls, and that will be the total of that, which is 25. So I've got the mean is 965 divided by 25, that equals 38.6. Just check it makes sense. 38.6, yeah, is somewhere in the middle there. That's good, so I haven't done anything silly. And now we've got a table summarising the lengths of Harriet's calls as a different person in November and December. Mean range is all included here. In which month were Harriet's calls longer on average? Well, so which month Harriet's, then we're looking at the mean for the average, December, 39.7. So it's December, and need to explain how you decide the mean is higher. In which month were the lengths of Harriet calls more spread out? So that means we're looking at the range, and that'll be in November, and that's because the range is bigger, and the range is the highest value minus the lowest value. 17 done.